This will be a speed test between the Sony Xperia XZ2 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Now the Sony boy, this one is the Taiwanese version, so this one has 6 gigs of RAM and the latest Snapdragon 845. And the Note 8, this one is the US unlocked variant, so it comes with a Snapdragon 835, also 6 gigs of RAM, and this one has been updated to Android 8 Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Go ahead and clear the background of both phones. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. XZ2. Messaging. XZ2 again. Camera. Identical. Calculator. Identical. The clock on both. XZ2. Go ahead and start the stopwatch. Leave that running in the background. Play Store. Identical. Click on this one. Leave it on that page. PlayStation. And give this to the Sony boy, of course. Has to go to Sony, right? MLB at bat. Go. Baseball season just starting. And give this to the XZ2. The NBA app. Go. Playoff just starting right now. And I'll call that identical. The browsing on both. Chrome versus the Samsung Internet Browser. Go. Search for Amazon. Go. And give this to the XZ2. Go ahead and scroll on the Note 8. Do the same thing on the Sony boy. And as you can see, nice and fast on both phones. Click on the Amazon full site. Go. And give this to the XZ2 again. Go ahead and pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on both. Leave it on this page. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the Note 8. Go ahead and tap to begin. And close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Buenos Aires. Loading on both. And ooh, give this to the XZ2. Go ahead and tap to play. Close it out. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands. Both are loading right now. And the XZ2 way out in front. Give this win to the Sony boy. Go ahead and tap to play. Close it out. Do the same thing real quick on the Note 8. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. XZ2 out in front. Will the Note 8 catch it? No, it does not. Give this to the XZ2. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, both neck and neck. XZ2 is pulling out in front though. And give this win to the Sony boy. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the Samsung Night. But the XZ2 is a little bit ahead. There you go. We have the gram on both. And Snapchat, that's a tie. Take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Keep in mind both phones have the same amount of RAM at 6 gigabytes. So let's take a look at the RAM management. Starting with the gram, there we go. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Grand Theft Auto. Ready to continue on both. Angry Birds 2. Ready to continue also. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Ready to resume as well, Super Mario Run. And both are continuing the game. The browsing on both, same place. NBA app, same place. Baseball app, same place. PlayStation, same place. Are both phones gonna run the table? Play Store, right where I left it off. Clock on both phones. Calculator on both. There you go. Camera. There you go. Messaging. Nice. And the phone app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup between the Sony boy and the Samsung Knight. Thanks for watching. Peace out.